Leave it like that, it'll be separate by itself.
And then she had the legs.
And some beef.
She had the egg white. I'm talking to you. She had, She had the egg white. She had the.
Yeah, carry on.
She had some of that fish. And that was it.
Give it up, yeah. Yeah. Give it up. Technically add something, but she just really.
Yeah.
Leave the wing like that. I'll break them off and keep it. I can't let them pull it apart. Leave it like that. Is that done or the chicken done now, yeah? I'll take it out.
Probably.
The egg and all that in there.
That's the bottom.
What?
Out there. No, it's
What elsewhere?
no,
Everything I want, did
I never put it in there. That's why you left it.
Actually, I didn't actually, but
Well, I did
it's
put
really
that
fine.
in there.
Really fine.
I'll just put it in the oven.
It's all of it.
Not wondering why I think I keep wasting my stuff.
No, that was your chicken from yesterday.
Yeah, but the egg.
Oh yeah, don't worry about it.
Okay, might as well stop this since you're not gonna stop doing that then.
It should, hang on. Maybe stop it on the tray and I'll put it again.
Yeah, but I did that. I already did that all bit.
Stop it, take the cover off and put it on again.
I've already done that all bit.
So that I don't know what's going on. Where's it? I want it to in there. Check it anyway and then put it back on it.
I've already done that.
Have you done?
It still had 50 minutes to go.
So that's the start fresh.
I'll just turn it on tomorrow.
Yeah, you don't have to rush it. You can take it down when you're doing this.
I'm going to leave my hair like this for tomorrow. I was going to do something, but I was just, Shash said, just blow dry it, stretch it out. Shash said to just straighten it out with a blow dryer.
Yeah.
Stretch it, and then that's it, leave it like this, and that's that way. They can be able to use it. I'll just twist it as it is, and then...
Yeah.